what?
What's up, guys? NRG Prisma Ultra, Alcantara suede. Got the Sparco bracket. Got the slider. It's gonna be a little install for y'all that don't know. And what is shit? What is shit? Get your ass. Yeah, definitely gonna miss that. So get you an authentic Japanese peanut. Pause. I don't know why I said pause. Peanut just sound kind of sus. And then I've yet to open the seat. I've had it for like 2 weeks now, but it's a really nice seat. NRG really stepped their stuff up. All right, so here's all the hardware. I mean, lock washers, locking nuts, regular washers, and Allen head bolts. Good stuff. This is the bar that I'm gonna lift up on so I can slide back and forth. These are the sliders that bolts into the seat. That's where the bar is gonna mount on. Taking the bubble wrap off. Oh my God. Love the color. They're going with that retro 90s vibe. While this isn't a 90s car, it's right there. And it does have the 5th hole if you want to run a 5-point harness. Look at that, man. Like, I love the stitching. It feels like a quality seat. Like, I sat in it in the store and man. Okay, I'm gonna put stickers. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the car. I'm gonna show y'all every step of the way. I'm gonna be removing these 4 bolts right here. There's 2 in the front and there's 2 in the back. And there's also wiring that I'm gonna have to unplug for the airbag as well as the restraint, the seatbelt restraint. So, okay, so these bolt heads are 14 millimeter. So I'm gonna use my 14 millimeter ratchet. Make sure when you're working on the front, you got the seat slid all the way back so you can access the bolts more. And don't strip it like me. There you go. Yo, I've actually never, okay. And I'm gonna tilt it forward so the weight stays at the front. Take my microfiber out, I keep that just in case. So now we're just gonna be removing these 2. What quarter? Gonna go ahead and remove these. All right, so I've got the seat lifted up, it's unbolted. I'm just gonna disconnect the airbag. Eventually, I'm gonna get a resistor. I'm also gonna get one for the steering wheel, the little connectors that are in there so I don't get an airbag light. Just tilting it back. A quarter. So all clean. I'm gonna need the seat belt buckle. So, all right, so I took this one out and the back came off, but there's one right in there that I gotta remove. And another freaking quarter fell out. It's time for the buckle. I think it's a 14. Just like that. So now that I've gotten everything I need off the old seat, I'm gonna go ahead and start test fitting stuff from the new seat. This looks real good and it's gonna sit nice and low. So, I got the bracket in the car and everything lines up. So shout out to Sparco. They really came in clutch, like. All right, y'all, so mistake number 396. You wanna have the Allen head in the rail and the nuts coming through the top. So that way, when it slides, there's enough space between this bolt head and that bolt head so that the seat can slide back and forth. Same thing goes for the other side and it works perfect. So I got these loose just so I could put the seat in it. I'm tired, y'all. It's hot, I haven't eaten. I'm about to put it in and go get a celebratory meal. Take the first ride. Looks good. That's how it should look. It's all tight. Buckle. I do see a problem, but see it looks good. Got the razzle dazzle down there. I see you. Like it knocks here, but that's just a cushion. It slides back and forth. So clean. This car's coming together great. Real happy.